Hi, you guys. This is where I've been camping for free. We showed you the video earlier yesterday before everybody got here, or Thursday. This is Saturday. And this is what it looks like on the weekends. Everybody comes out here. And there's a bunch of horses out here doing the trails. And lots of all-terrain vehicles, like this one fixing to go by. These are everywhere. And there's a lot of people, and it's hella fun. Everybody's cool. I haven't had any problems being here. And then we got more people back here. We got Xena. We got Tinkerbell. And this is the staging area above Lake Pleasant. And it's BLM land, and you can come here and camp for free. You can bring your all-terrain vehicles, your motorcycles, your horses. Anything that you want like that is allowable as long as you stay on the trails. Now the horses, I don't know if you have to stay on the trails with the horses, but with all the motorcycles and all-terrain vehicles you do. But check this out. This is why there's no donkeys in here right now. Because there's all of these people. Just wanted to make another quick one to show you what's up in the free camping up above Lake Pleasant, Arizona. And that I'm glad to be here. It's not boring. On the weekends, there's always fun things to watch. And it's great. It's beautiful. During the week, you have the donkeys. During the weekend, you have all the people. Oh, it looks like there's some more coming down the road over there. I don't know if I'm getting them. Right there, I think. Yeah, they're probably coming in here. That's 1, 2, 3. One trailer and 2 all-terrain vehicles working their way. And most of these people will leave tonight, but the ones with their trailers and stuff will probably stay overnight, or if they brought their tents, because people do bring their tents here too. And it's really nice. And there's more coming down this way. No, well, he's going by. The guy is going by. He must be going somewhere. Oh, no, maybe he's turning in. Oh, he's turning in. Here comes some more motorcycle and all-terrain vehicles. There they go. Here's another one with their dog in the back. Isn't that nice? And these people just go around and along these trails and check things out. There's a lot of them, and it's really fun. So please like and subscribe. Please tell your friends and family, and please share on your social media. It all helps me and the channel to grow. We're getting close to 1,000, you guys. Let's get those people you know to subscribe so I can get paid something. I can get monetized so I can sell stuff or whatever I need to do to make some money, even if YouTube doesn't pay me a lot of money. You can get affiliates and things like that, but you have to be monetized before you can do that stuff. Okay, thanks you guys. I love you. You're the best fams ever. And peace.